When people ask me if I can do a one drive-in 3 transistors amplifier, and I say yes, I can do it, but uh, the problem with this is that you have to be very careful. For example, this one, it's here for to do a fix and to do an update and to do some modifications basically. So it's a lot of work, but I will show you guys something that I wanted to show for a long time. This particular amplifier has one driving 2. The one that is in front, it has about 40% life in it right now, right? We don't have a full 100% transistors at 2290. I'll show you guys first driving driving the amplifier with my Cobra 148, and see, this is past 1. It doesn't move. It's great. So already passed the tuning point, but I want to show you guys what this amplifier does. I have alligator clips here because I don't want to solder and resolder. So what I do is just put this one on and show you one. That single transistor, it's giving me 110 watts. 110 watts to 2 transistors behind. It's extremely too much. It's too much. Why I say that, because those transistors are rated only to 20-30 watts input on each one, so 60 watts maximum. At this point, I have to regulate the output power from one transistor going into the second transistor. So I'm gonna do editing on this video, and I'll show you the second part once I do the modification. All right, I just finished the modification, so it's still in the maximum point on the knob. See, showing 1. It seems 16 watts. 1 reflected power, nothing. So now I will turn it on, and I'll show you guys the maximum power that this amplifier will give me with the one single pill. 42 watts. 42 watts output for one transistor, same transistor, and it's gonna, that power is gonna go to the second module, which is gonna be the 2 pills. That way you don't overdrive the 2 pills behind, and you have a longer life on your amplifier. Because if you put the 110 watts that you guys saw in the beginning of the video, you will burn the amplifier. You will stress them. Let me clarify things. You will stress the amplifiers. They will take the power in, but you will stress the amplifier. Once you stress the amplifier, you're gonna start burning the life of the amplifier, and eventually it'll burn like quick. You know, so that's why it's important to regulate the power, the output power. Now, the next job for me to do is connect it to the second module. Once it's regulated, like right now, then tune the whole entire thing, because the input power is done. The maximum power from the 2 that is done. Now I have to combine them together and make sure I don't have any power coming back from that point, or reflected power in that point, and tune if it needs to be tuned more in the back on the maximum power. So I will do a video when it's done for the customer. 73.